I'm gonna show you how to make a simple fish puppet. These are the items you're gonna need. The main thing is colorful paper. I'm using a foam sheet too for some parts and I want really one. Okay, this is one of the things you're gonna need. And here's the decor. One thing, you can use any decor you want. And scissors. Friends, always be careful with scissors. And 2 types of glue. A glue stick and liquid white glue. So let's start. First, I'll take the square sheet of paper and turn it into a rhombus. That is a diamond shape, as you can see. I'll take this part and put it up to here. Like this. Done. And crease. I'll take this flap, put it up to here. Pinpoint together. And crease. It's hard to crease it as the paper gets thicker. Oh. And I'll put it the same way I did with the before one. Like this. And open. I take this part, only one part, and put it down. Like this. I take this flap, put it up to here, and put it inside. Not too much, not too less, not too much. And I'll do the same thing on the other side. It's tricky. Done. And just put a little bit of pressure. Then I'll take it out. Now here I need to glue some parts. I'll take my glue stick. I'll open it up and only put glue on these flaps. Glue, glue, glue. Not too much, otherwise you're wasting it. There we go. Just a little bit on the other side. Just a little on the part we don't want it. Just a little bit. And done. So I'm done with the glue stick. I'll put it like this. And inside the same way. Both sides, of course. Like this. Now we have a pocket. And that to the body of our fish. I'll keep it aside. And I'll take an excess part that I had used to cut out the square sheet of paper. I'll take my scissors. Guys, be careful with scissors. And I'll cut a triangle out of it. Yes. And I don't need this excess part anymore. And I'll take the scissors and just make 2 cuts. I'll take the decoration, but not for decorating. It is just for making a few curves. Oh, it's so hard to lift it. There you go, like that. Not all of them maybe, just to get them a little curve. I'll take the body. This time I'm taking the white glue. I'll pour a little bit on the part where it's not hot. So it stays. On the tail, of course. It's so hard to close the glue. And I'm only gluing it on the thin part of the body. Like this. There we go. And now is the decorating part. It's gonna look very pretty. do you think about the video? Write in the comments what you thought about the video and see how many fish I've got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 fishes. There are so many. And here's how to use them. You remember the pockets we had made? These pockets? They allowed your hand to go through like this. And so they stick and they hold on. So you can even move them like this. And they're puppets. Fun, right? You can make them of your own creativity, your own colors. You can even add glitter. And like and subscribe to the channel. Ring the bell button not to miss a video. Share the videos, and it's much more fun to watch videos together. Bye guys.